Hi, this is a project that I need some improvement. It's a wayfinding.easykiosk.io. Basically, it's a wayfinding that use a SVG map. Right, it's used for finding directories in the shopping mall. So I have done some customizations, but this is actually based on WordPress using mapplic. Routes wayfinding, which I already bought. So most of the things that you saw just now is from here. Can change the flow, here you can find example this headco. So it gives you a animated path. Okay, so it works fine here also. I can do this, and then I will click where I want to go, then it goes to that. So it works fine. The customization that we are looking for, I'm looking for right now is a starting point. So as I said, this one is for shopping mall wayfinding. Imagine this is at a different floor. So we need a starting point so that we don't have to define where we're from and where we want to go. So by default in mapplic, it support a single starting point. So if I look here in the map, it has this starting point. So if I were to basically, if I set this starting point, I don't have to uh, set the location. For example, G13A, G13A. So if I put G13A, which is the ID, of this G13A. If I put that ID as a starting point, refresh this. So now it already selected ayam, this starting point, which is ayam. So now I only have to click where I want to go, right? So you click that, so it already goes there. I don't have to select where I'm from because this one will be open in kiosk, touchscreen kiosk, that a user just need to put where it's from. So we need to define the starting point instead of asking the user where they are from and where they want to go. All right. So let's say I want to go to here. I click here, then it knows where to go, where it's from and where you want to go. So we don't have to decide. This is works fine for a single starting point, but the problem is I have multiple starting point because I have a different location for the kiosk. Uh, so we need to have a multiple starting point. I don't know how we can do this. Uh, we could duplicate this map, but that is not practical because the rest of the content are the same. The second part is the where am I. So right now, for example, I put this. This is the URL. If I have this URL, so it's automatically open the location. So if I go back to the map, this is the WordPress. Here if I click this, so it has this my location, right? And now I click this marker here. So now it shows a marker, whereby just now for IAM or 7-Eleven, the marker is a dot or hidden. It's a hidden marker. So it's not showing in on the actual map, whereby my location is showing. So maybe I have a button somewhere here that when I click, it shows on the map where is my current location. So same problem. If I have multiple starting point or location, I cannot do this. This is only for one map. So those are two things that I need improvement from mapplic. So the other thing in terms of the wayfinding, everything else is done. The CSS is actually done here. I done it here. So yeah, that's it.